All right, well, it's a pretty November 5th afternoon. It's a gorgeous weekend here. It's about 74 degrees. Got up to about 74 today. I'm gonna check real quick on a feeder that we put outside and see if the bees found it. Okay, well, you can see the bees are really all over this little feeder. I just put some sticks down in there, located about 50 yards from the hive, and they're just taking in all that extra sugar water, taking them back to the hive, gets them a chance to get out of the hive and have some cleansing flights. It's a good thing to try. So nothing pretty about it, but it works until I can get something better set up. But pretty good to see them do this on a cool November day. Okay, well, hopefully you can see here just before sunset, bees are out enjoying the weather, doing some orientation flights, and just man, it's nice weather this afternoon, and they're getting a chance to get out. It's been cool in the mornings, sometimes down in the high 30s, but most of the time in the 40s. So for the next several days we'll have 70s temperatures. You can see them. I really don't even have any protection on, but they're coming in loaded down with pollen still, very active. So hey, we'll let them have a great day. They're enjoying it.